This tutorial is going to delve into the registration process of foreign nationals, and it's a process which begins with the creation of an anonymous ticket by a customer care agent. An anonymous ticket is created for users who for one reason or another cannot access their accounts or can't register on the platform. To have an anonymous ticket raised, you'll need to reach out to the customer care desk. We have these phone numbers which are manned by the customer care team, which you can call at any time of day or night on any issue that you're facing. And finally, we have this chatbot which is available 24 hours a day. To initiate a conversation, you'll type the question or issue that you have in the text box provided, and a response will be given to you in real time, and a team on the ground is going to give you guidance on the issue. For more information about ticketing and what it entails, kindly view our YouTube tutorial through the link provided in the video description. In our case, after reaching out to the customer care desk on your issue and having your ticket raised, the information about the anonymous ticket will be sent to the email you provided. And once you click on that specific email, you'll see the information affirming that the ticket has been raised, and you can access the specific ticket using the link provided. Upon clicking on the link, you'll be required to self-authenticate through an OTP code which will be sent to the phone number you provided. A key thing to note is that the number you provide must be a Kenyan phone number. This is because at the time of this video's release, a user cannot receive an OTP code with some foreign phone numbers. So once the OTP is sent, you'll type in the exact code to the OTP prompt box and then click submit. If successful, a temporary access session will be given for a certain amount of time, after which it expires after a certain amount of inactivity period. You'll then be able to see the relevant information concerning the ticket on the left side of your screen if you still have an active session. As is apparent on the ticket information section, you are Thomas Delmo and you are requesting for an account creation on ArdhiSasa. So based on this ticket, the relevant ministry official assigned to this ticket is going to have a view of the information they are in, and they will be able to comment on it on the chat section on the left side of your screen. So either you or the ministry official can initiate the conversation. In our case, we are going to send the first message detailing the issue in question and then click submit. And the official from the ministry is going to reply as soon as possible. In this case, the ministry official requires that you, the client, attach specific documents so as to facilitate the creation of the account. The documents include a copy of your passport, a passport-sized photo, a copy of your KRA PIN certificate, and you are also required to provide additional documents where applicable, for instance, a valid work permit or a certificate of permanent residence. You will then duly attach the required documents from your local machine. A key thing to note is that you can only attach one document at a time. As such, the documents will be uploaded separately. So all the documents that have been uploaded will be listed, and in case there is any need for any other documents to be uploaded, the communication will be made using the same platform. So once the ministry official has viewed the documents, he or she will notify you on the same and also inform you of the next step, which is the verification of the details you will have provided. A key thing to note is that you should not delete the email containing the ticket link. This is because the link is the only way you'll be able to access the chat conversation between yourself and the ministry official assigned to your ticket. Once the verification process is complete, the ministry official will contact you and you will be requested to present yourself to the Ministry of Lands headquarters at Ardhi House, along with the original documents whose copies you had attached on the chat. You will be provided with an invite, one which you'll access through a link that will be sent to the email you provided, much like the ticket link. Upon clicking on the link, you'll be navigated to a page displaying your invitation, and then click on the view button on your right. You will select the most appropriate date for you to present yourself at the ministry, and once you do so, you'll be able to print the gate pass. For more information on appointments and what they entail, kindly view our YouTube tutorial on ticketing through the link provided in the video description. Once you arrive at Ardhi House, you will present the gate pass to the security persons at the gate, who upon validating your gate pass will give you access to the premises. You will then be required to visit the customer care desk at ground floor, where you will meet a ministry official and then present the necessary documents as had been requested. Once the ministry official has validated your identity in the documents you have provided, you will be contacted later on to finalize the account creation process. Once your account has been created, an ArdhiSasa ID as well as a one-time password will be sent to your phone through SMS, the latter of which you'll use to log in the initial stage. Once you have logged in, you are advised to change your password for security reasons. To change your password, navigate to the Account tab, select Update Settings, and then fill in the relevant information as required. That's it for this tutorial on the registration of foreign nationals. Feel free to give feedback on this tutorial in the comment section below. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell button alongside the subscription button to get notification on new videos as and when we post them. Thanks for watching and goodbye.